guys, what's up? I think you know my name already. Anyway, so that's gonna be my new intro for like new upcoming videos. I think it's pretty awesome and I am pretty sexy, so But there's another thing that I want to say, guys, and it's really important, so listen up everyone. Unfortunately, guys, I will no longer upload 2 videos per week. 1 video I will. The reason why is because there are so many things that I have to do, and especially I have to work on my channel that still has to like be fixed and all that stuff. And I think I'm pretty popular, so 46. And I've been uploading lots of videos and it's just bothering me a bit. And I'm doing as much as I can for you guys. I've been sending old videos for you guys because I just, goodness gracious me! To make it short, guys, that video that I just showed you is going to be my new intro, and I'm no longer going to post 2 videos per week. It's going to be 1 video. What day, you may ask? I'm going to post videos every Friday at like 12 to 3 o'clock p.m. Not a.m. p.m. I'm no longer going to post videos on Wednesdays or any other days. So hopefully you guys are watching out there. Like I know I'm pretty famous, so okay, enough of that. That's just an old joke. And maybe out there you guys are playing like Pokemon Go. Well, I'm in, you know, Canada and can't play that shit. Fucking Charizard. And one more thing, guys, I don't know yet, but I might make a new channel to just refresh things. I'm gonna try and refresh, I'm gonna try and make a new channel to refresh the things that I've done. So maybe I'll take the videos that I made in this channel and put them on the new one and see how that thing works. It might not make sense, but I think you might get the point. So I'll send you a video, I'll make a video, and I'll send you, I'll make the video. And I will see, I don't know yet, I haven't made up my mind yet, but I will see if I'm gonna make a new channel to like make my stuff. The Crazy Canadian Part 2. Oh, by the way, if the Crazy Canadian is taken or something like that, that's okay. Maybe I'll think of something with crazy still, because I am pretty crazy. You just don't know it yet. If you want to, leave in the comments down below and thinking what name I should take or just use for my new channel. If I'm gonna make one though, just put anything down below. And no, you can use those words. Alright, last summary, guys. The video that I just showed you is my new intro. I'm no longer going to post videos on Wednesday. I'll only post videos on Fridays 12 to 1 or 12 to 3 p.m. And I might make the new channel. And if you want to, leave a comment down below what you want as the new channel name. But it has to be something with the word crazy in it. Don't use those words. I think I know what you're talking about. Alright, see you later, guys. Thanks for understanding. I'm sorry for doing this, but I have to. And if I do improve, I will try my very best to do 2 videos per week. Sorry about that. So, see you guys. Thanks for understanding. And remember, stay crazy, but not too crazy. One more thing, I'm not gonna post a video this Friday. Next weekend I'll post something on Friday. I'm not wearing my stuff and all that stuff because I just remember that. So take care, ciao, stay awesome, stay crazy, but not too crazy. See you later, guys. I love you. Give me a kiss.